Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make legendary waffles. To achieve truly exceptional waffles, begin by gathering the freshest, highest quality ingredients available. This foundation is crucial for developing a rich, deep flavor profile. We'll also incorporate a special blend of flours and prepare our eggs in a unique way to ensure the perfect texture. Get ready to transform your breakfast experience with these simple yet impactful steps. Creating the perfect batter is key to legendary waffles. First, combine your dry ingredients, including 2 cups of flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, ensuring they are well mixed. Then, carefully fold in your whipped egg whites. This gentle technique incorporates air, resulting in an incredibly light and fluffy waffle. Remember, overmixing can develop gluten, leading to a dense, chewy texture, so mix just until combined. Mastering your waffle iron is the next step to perfection. Always preheat your iron completely. This prevents sticking and ensures even cooking. A light coating of butter or non-stick spray will also help. Pour about 1/2 cup of batter per waffle, depending on your iron size. Cook until they are a beautiful golden brown and steam is no longer visibly escaping, typically for 3 to 5 minutes. To truly enjoy your legendary waffles, serve them immediately while they are still warm and wonderfully crisp. Classic toppings like fresh berries, pure maple syrup, or a dollop of homemade whipped cream elevate the experience. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or a teaspoon of vanilla extract to your batter. These small touches make a big difference in creating an unforgettable breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.